Wherever you're listening to this, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to India Tech Report, a podcast dedicated to chronicling and supporting the growth of India's deep tech and climate tech ecosystems. I'm Berkeley, and this is a news brief, so let's get started. YQuantum has raised 150,000 Swiss francs, or about $186,000, from Venture Kick to commercialize miniaturized cryogenic hardware for quantum computers. The startup's compact components address a critical bottleneck, scaling superconducting qubits reliably. By replacing bulky cooling systems with high-performance alternatives, YQuantum brings quantum computing closer to practical deployment. The engineering team, drawn from UC Berkeley and ETH Zurich, targets a rapidly expanding quantum hardware market projected to reach billions in the coming years. Its first commercial units are expected by mid-2026. Cassidy Bio has unveiled its AI-driven genomic foundation model with an $8 million seed round backed by RN Innovation Capital. The platform combines proprietary lab data, population genetics, and machine learning to design gene editing therapies at scale. By replacing trial and error with predictive engineering, Cassidy addresses persistent challenges, target selection, delivery, and off-target effects. The founding team unites CRISPR pioneers and AI leaders with the aim of moving genome editing from isolated successes to reliable, scalable medical solutions for millions of patients worldwide. Alex Labs has closed a €15 million Series A investment led by Navigare Ventures to accelerate atomic layer etching pitch splitting technology. The breakthrough enables cost-effective production of advanced chips without expensive multi-patterning or exclusive EUV reliance. By slashing process complexity and energy consumption per wafer, APS addresses a critical challenge in chip economics. Beta testing with foundry partners begins in 2026, targeting full manufacturing deployment by 2027. The innovation could reshape semiconductor accessibility globally, lowering barriers for advanced chip production. Agnikul Cosmos, a Chennai-based space tech startup, has secured 150 crore rupees, or about $17 million, in fresh funding, bringing its valuation to $500 million. The capital will support its next orbital launch mission featuring barge-based booster recovery, a global first for small launch vehicles. Agnikul, which is pioneering India's private small launch vehicles with 3D-printed engines, will expand manufacturing, launch frequency, and establish a 350-acre campus in Tamil Nadu, targeting customers in Europe, Asia, and the US. To end today's brief, researchers at the University of Cambridge in Britain have achieved a breakthrough by powering electrically insulating lanthanide-doped nanoparticles using organic molecular antennas. The new approach, discovered by a Cavendish laboratory-led team, enables highly pure near-infrared LEDs, promising advances in biomedical imaging and optical communications. Their findings were published recently in Nature. That's it for this brief. You can find the links to all the headlines in the show notes, wherever you get your podcasts. To support my work, please subscribe to my posts at indiatechreport.in. I'm Berkeley. Thank you for listening.